Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial section we are going to create our own SpinEdit. So first let's move SpinEdit on our form 1 and let's see how it is functioning. As you see, that SpinEdit is something like this, and here we have a dot. First I just want to let's write something. As you see that there is a separator here. I just don't want this separator first. Secondly, I just want to remove that dot. And beside this one, when we focus, we want to change the back color of it, and when we enter, we want to move to the next control. So let's do it how we can do. Let's close this one and delete this one. Let's go for Solution Explorer, right click here, add class, and I write my SpinEdit, and I set it to public, and I add the attribute toolbox item, and then it will be inherited SpinEdit in order to behave like it exactly. We'll come to the constructor, and now we'll write our codes. First we say properties, appearance focus. When we focus it, we want to change the back color of it, slide jam. And secondly, we don't want, I forget to tell, we don't want the user to make it as a null. We always want user to enter a value of it. So we say properties, allow null input, and then we set it false. And now it is for our mask. We say we only want we want digit only, without separator and without dot. First we will just declare our mask type, and it should be a numeric. And then from properties we declare our mask. Now we say edit mask, and then we simply write D, and that's it. It is positive and negative number without separator. And also when we enter our control, we want it to jump to the next control, override it, enter move next control, and I set it true. Let's build this one. So we like this, and let's see how is it. Here my SpinEdit, I just set it here and I run it. As you see that we don't have a dot. Now we have a positive and negative number. Let's write a big number. As you see that there is no separator at all, and the back color is also changed, and when I enter it will move to the next control. SpinEdit is like this guy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye.